Good morning. You are about ready to take the rSkills test 5A. Your directions say, this is a reading test. Follow the directions for each part of the test and choose the best answer to each question. Sample questions. Sample A, which sentence is a fact? A, link up is the best website. B, that computer is cool. C, the internet was created in 1985. D, cell phones are easy to use. Which sentence is a fact? Sample B, which is a compound word? A, follow. B, classroom. C, traveler. D, remember. Which is a compound word? Alright, the next part is comprehension. Read the following technology text, then answer questions 1 through 5. So at this time, please pause this video and read the following story. It's titled, Use Social Websites Wisely. Number 1 says, which sentence best summarizes this text? A, DJ shared information with some bullies on the web. B, using social websites can be fun if you use them wisely. C, the police suggested ways DJ could change her web page. D, social websites are very popular. Number 2, which sentence is a fact? A, people fill their web pages with information, music, and pictures. B, social websites are fun. C, the things that the bullies wrote about DJ were mean. D, using social websites is a good way to meet people. Which sentence is a fact? Number 3, which sentence is an opinion? A, anyone can see what you post on a public website. B, DJ has her own webpage. C, the police talked to the bullies. D, visiting social websites is a fun way to meet people. Number 4, which sentence states a fact? A, chatting with people online is risky. B, making up gossip is mean. C, the police told DJ to remove her name and address. D, it is risky to share your personal information with others. Number 5, look at the graph. Which statement best summarizes the information on the graph? A, the number of people using this social network grew rapidly from March 2008 to July 2010. B, the social network had its biggest growth period ever from July 2009 to September 2009. C, in March 2008, this social network was the biggest social network on the internet. D, the number of people using this social networking site will continue to grow. Look at the graph. Which statement best summarizes the information on the graph? All right, the next page. Read the following life skills text, and then answer questions 6 through 10. So at this time, please pause your computer and read the story titled Plagiarism 101. Number 6, which sentence is an opinion? A, Keith got an assignment to write a paper. B, he went to the library and got some books. C, some of the pages were really well written. D, he copied some of the pages to his computer. Number 7, which sentence is the most strongly supported fact? Which sentence is the most strongly supported fact? A, most people will tell you that the internet makes plagiarizing easy. B, it's okay to use some of a writer's words. C, the internet is a great source of information. D, 36% of students said they had plagiarized. Number 8, which sentence is a fact? A, government and education websites are usually reliable. B, some of the pages were really well written. C, Keith probably got a good grade on his paper. D, they may think it's okay to use some of a writer's words. Number 9, what is the best summary of this text? A, Keith got an assignment to write a paper on the Civil War. He went to the library and the internet for information. B, students who use the internet for research must use it responsibly. Copying someone else's work is plagiarism. C, in one survey, 36% of students said they had plagiarized published material. This number went up for internet users. D, students should choose websites that have reliable information. They should give the source of information they use. Number 10, which title best summarizes the main point of this text? A, Keith and the Civil War. B, plagiarism, be careful what you copy. C, crime and the internet. Or D, published material with no author's name. The next page, vocabulary and word study. Read each question and decide which is the best answer. Fill in the circle next to the answer you have chosen. Number 11, which sentence uses the underlined word correctly? A, Jake gave the right answer. B, the cut on your hand will heal. C, is this the right house? D, the heel of my foot hurts. Number 12, which word best fits in this sentence? You boys come blank this instant, Grandma ordered. Is it A, you boys come here this instant? B, you boys come here this instant? C, you boys come here this instant? Or D, you boys come here this instant? Be sure you look at the spelling. Number 13, which sentence uses the underlined word correctly? A, I don't want to break my leg. B, do you see anyone you know? C, I love the mountains more than the sea. Or D, Sandra will break the ice. Again, please make sure you're looking at the spelling of the underlined words. 14, which words are homophones? Which words are homophones? A, tear, tar. B, gate, date. C, one, or D, pin, pink. 15, which is a compound word? A, narrow. B, downtown. C, prepare. Or D, triangle. Number 16. Which word can be added to sun to form a compound word? A, bright, B, girl, C, moon, D, shine. 17. Which is a compound word? A, bookmark, B, starry, C, towering, D, weather. Number 18. Which word can be added to time to form a compound word? A, minute, B, late, C, some, D, when. The next page, conventions. Read each question and decide which is the best answer. Fill in the circle next to the answer you've chosen. Number 19 says, which sentence uses the correct form of the underlined verb? A, yesterday my mother buyed a shirt for me. B, yesterday my mother boughted a shirt for me. C, yesterday my mother buy a shirt for me. D, yesterday my mother bought a shirt for me. Number 20. Which word best completes this sentence? I can't believe they blank to the movies without me. Is it A, gone? I can't believe they gone to the movies without me. B, went? I can't believe they went to the movies without me. C, going? I can't believe they going to the movies without me. D, goed? I can't believe they goed to the movies without me. 21. Which sentence uses the underlined verb correctly? A, they tooks their time getting ready for school. B, he take his sister's lunch by accident. C, I took swimming lessons last summer. D, I taked my little brother to the park every Saturday. 22. Which sentence uses the correct form of the underlined verb? A, my sister and I chose the same thing for dessert. B, my sister and I chooses the same thing for dessert. C, my sister and I chosen the same thing for dessert. D, my sister and I chose the same thing for dessert. 23. Which sentence uses commas correctly? A, in second grade, she was my best friend. B, I sat behind her in class. C, in addition, we played soccer together. D, no, I don't think she remembers you. 24. Which sentence uses commas correctly? A, 20 minutes later, he was out the door. B, 20 minutes later, he was out the door. C, 20 minutes later, he was out the door. D, 20 minutes later, he was out the door. 25. Which sentence uses commas correctly? A, on Mondays I have math and science. B, Saturday is my day for sleeping late. C, first, I got all my supplies ready. D, tomorrow will be better than today. The next page are your open response questions. 26 says, review the text Plagiarism 101. Based on the text, how can students avoid plagiarizing? Write 1 or 2 sentences to explain. 27. Review the text, use social websites wisely. What are the 2 most important rules that people should follow when using social websites? Write 2 or 3 sentences to explain.